Unexpected but true, 10 fun facts about chapels, cremation, and memorial culture in the Philippines. Most people think memorial chapels are only about sadness and tears, but today, we're showing you the lighter side of saying goodbye. Fun fact number 1. Did you know chapels are busiest on weekends? Yep. It's like a mini reunion for many families. Some even bring lechon. Love and laughter go hand in hand with remembrance. Fact number 2. Refrigerated chapels are real. They keep the room temperature just right so families abroad can fly in for the service. Chill, literally. Fact number 3. Wakes now go live on Facebook or Zoom. OFW relatives? No problem. Eternitest stream it all, so no one feels left out, wherever they are. Fact number 4. In ancient times, Filipinos buried the dead with coins in their mouths. Payment for the afterlife journey. Forget Gcash. This was their version of load for the next world. Fact number 5. Families take group photos in chapels now. At Eternitest, the setting is so elegant, some say it looks like a wedding venue. Hey, celebrating a life well lived deserves a nice backdrop. Fact number 6. There are over 400 types of urns available today. Tree-growing urns, music-playing urns, even one that looks like a basketball. Why not go out in style? Fact number 7. There are now columbary vaults for pets. Because fur babies are family too. You'll even find paw-shaped urns that are just too cute to handle. Fact number 8. Chapels like Eternitest are now designed like 5-star hotels. There's butler service, digital memorials, ambient lighting, and yes, even a cafe. Now that's dignity in design. Fact number 9. Vaults can now be bought, sold, or gifted, like real estate. Lifetime ownership. Transferable to family. Perfect for practical Filipinos and smart investors alike. Fact number 10. More millennials are buying chapel plans and vaults than ever before. It's not being morbid, it's being responsible. And it takes the stress off the family later on. At Eternitest Chapel in Columbary, we believe that honoring life can be filled with peace, warmth, and even a few smiles. So, which of these fun facts surprised you the most? Come visit us today. Because love, remembrance, and legacy never go out of style.